Supreme Court continued hearing the same-sex marriage petitions for the fifth day. The government opened its argument requesting that the issue first go through Parliament. It said that the apex court is not equipped to contemplate all conceivable scenarios. Ashmit joins us now with the details. Ashmit, take us through the government's arguments in court today.
Well, the petitioners concluded their arguments today, and in fact, one counsel, Govt, ended by saying that we seek the blessings. Same-sex couples are seeking the blessings of the centre, just as the same as they would grant their blessings to heterosexual couples. However, from the initial position that the centre appears to have taken before the apex court, no such blessings are coming their way. The Solicitor General began his arguments today. There appears to be a tactical shift as far as the centre's arguments are concerned. They are no longer going into whether it's an urban elitist phenomena or whether it is something that is alien to the Indian culture. Now they are approaching this strictly on a legal footing. The Solicitor General argued that this is an issue which historically needs to be addressed by the legislature, that there could be the finest of judges deciding on the matter, but it still may not reflect the will of the people. That this is an issue which again spans various genders, various sexualities, social as well as legal rights, and therefore it is only for the Parliament that is competent to in fact gauge all these possible scenarios, draft a law, secure expert advice, and then come out with a piece of legislation that addresses the issue. The courts, is what the Solicitor General said, is simply, number one, not competent and ill-advised in dealing with this matter. Not just that, the Solicitor General looked at the historical background to the Special Marriages Act, said that it is not that the Indian Parliament in the 50s was unaware of the concept of the LGBTQ community, but rather consciously took a decision to avoid naming them and providing for them in the SMA or the Special Marriage Act, and that is something that cannot be undone by the apex court. So this was the broad summary of the submissions being made by the Solicitor General. But today was just day one of the government submissions. Tomorrow is when the hearing will resume before the apex court, and the Solicitor General is expected to continue making his position before the top court.
All right, Ashmit, appreciate you joining us. And before